Hello guys, so today we're going to play Grow Garden. So anyways guys, if you want to see the video sa channel, make sure to like and subscribe to hit ang notifications for our videos like this. So anyways, this is a brand new update in this game. Let's go up. 6 ice cream. I can level my pets or something. I don't know. Anyways, I want the seed one. Also, this is the brand new update. Full market, I think. I don't know what to do about this. But anyways, we're going to. I got 5 fruits. Let's go with the eggs. I got the jar. I like this update, guys. I like this event. This event looks very nice. But anyways, guys, we're going to playing the Grow Garden. Anyway, I do have the biggest fruit. I do have the very. I do have the rarest fruit, guys. Anyways. Oh my god, why do I keep lagging? Guys, watch my videos. If you don't, oh I got you know. Anyways, bro, why do I keep lagging? Don't call me garbage, okay? Oh my god. Bro, what happened? Bro, how? Bro, what happened? Bro, what happened? No. Oh my god. Bro, why I'm lagging? I need to rejoin this game, guys. Hello guys, so I'm playing Blue Garden. So I'm in the server, guys, because it made me so much laggy. But anyways, guys, if you want this more video, so get the food. Wow, I got. It's not even red. Common orange tulip, or I guess chili. I need to feed this Sam. Sam is the gorilla of the TFG vlog, or frustrated game, I guess. So anyways, guys, okay. I have I have the very food. Okay, let's try a sprinkler. Let's load it. Button. No. Why is it not working, guys? Wait lang. Um, where is my god list? Oh my god. Okay, anyways, guys, oh, this is the brand new update. Oh, that's new. Otherwise, I need to go to the gear shop. Newborn babies. Who is that? Okay. Finally, I got shop. Where's the shop mutation? Huh? Where's my shop mutation? Oh, there is. Stop lagging. Oh my god. Shop. Please. I kidding. 30 minutes. 30 minutes more. Otherwise, I got this. What? Also, I'm going to make a house, guys. I'm going to make a house. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I don't have the gear shop, guys. Okay. The gear shop will be this fun. But anyways, I need to just buy. I need to buy a lot, guys. So, oh, level up lollipops. Wait, I do have. Pet. Two. Watching the mutation. Come on. Oh, you should. Oh, that's rare. Okay. But why do I keep freaking lagging? Where's my level up lollipop? Stop lagging! I keep on lagging. Level up lollipop. Maybe. Shit. What the? Oh no. Okay. Level up lollipop. Level up lollipop. Level up lollipop. Level. Level. L. Level up lollipop. Huh? Why is it so gone? Did somebody go to the house or no? I don't know. Very jealous.
Hopefully I'm like away.
Stop lagging. Oh. Oh, that's rare. Oh, it's not rare. That's good. Oh, yeah. Stop making me lag. I hate you guys. I hate laggers. Wait, I need to put somewhere. In this spot right here. This is my perfect spot. Like, ready, hot. Please keep on it. I hate silver monkey. No, it's not even rare. No. I want the phoenix. Oh my god. Wait, hold on. I want the rarest phoenix. Wait, let's see my, Yes, I got the seed. I got the seed therapy. Let's put in this place. I got an ice cream. Tell me ice cream. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Tell me ice cream. Oh my god. Can I remove carrots? Are you sure, guys? Just trying to. No. No, I want. No. I don't know. I do have the glimmering. Glimmering from the new update. But it's gonna be a bit old. Your seed shop has been asked. The gear shop has been reset. Oh, oh my god, did I? Oh, it's too late. What's today, I guess? I don't know. It's saying too late. Oh, this is a watermelon. Water bottle. Ooh. Anyways. Oh my god. Wow. I got in watermelon. Watermelon. Oh, it smells like egg. Or it smells like chicken, I think, guys. But anyways, I got the blue snail. Just ate the blue snail. Oh, where's my, oh wait, all the missing something is the shop. Oh, I got, do not end.